everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password for Sage.com account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.sage.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Sage. Click the login button at the top right hand corner and select one of the options from the display. On the next page, you'll need to type in your credentials to log in. If you want to change your password for your Sage account, you can do so without logging into your account. So click on the change password link beneath the sign in button at the bottom. Now, after you see these text boxes, go ahead and type in your client ID in the first text box and then type in your current password you are using for the account in the next field. Now, on the next field, type in the new password you'd want to change to and repeat the password one more time in the last text box. Finally, click on the change password button in order to change your Sage account's password. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.